Hey internet, so I've really just tried to crack on today and get this wiring done as much as I can, and I haven't got very far, to be perfectly honest with you. It is just an absolute nightmare. I think I might have to admit defeat and get an auto electrician to do it. I've been hunting on the internet again for a replacement loom. I can't find one. They just aren't available. As you could see by some of the footage earlier, it's just a nightmare. It's just been bodged to bits. I don't know how much of it was actually working when I got it, but obviously, well, I don't know whether you remember, but the start button didn't work. So there was obviously issues with the electrics when I bought it, because the only way for me to get it to start was to short out the or short across the starter solenoid, and then it'd kick the starter in and it'd run. But I didn't check any lights or anything like that. It's certainly not got an MOT when I bought it, so I might just have to concede. And you know, there's a limit to how much time I can spend on trying to patch it up. I'll put the panels on though, just so we can have a bit of a look, just to remind myself why I'm doing it. And doesn't it look brilliant? Doesn't it just look fantastic? You know, I just love the bike. I just want to get the wiring sorted. It just looks great. The seat cover, I had some clips delivered off eBay last week, and they've worked a treat, so the seat cover's on properly. The seat isn't sat flush at the moment because the clasp's not on the other side, and we've still got some loose wires under there. But and I don't think the tank is sitting down as far as it needs to go. But doesn't it just look amazing? I mean, it looks fantastic. It's going to be a tremendous bike when it's finished, and I'm not going to sell it. I know the headlamp fairing isn't on it yet, and that's primarily because I haven't got any brackets for it, and I don't even know where the brackets go, so we're going to have to make some brackets for that. But, you know, that aside, doesn't she look great? I mean, it's just lovely. It just looks fantastic. So I'm really sorry that I haven't got much further today, but I think at least I've come to that conclusion that I'm going to have to seek some help, some sort of expert help in that regard. You know, I'll have a go at most things, and I've certainly had a go at the wiring time and time again. I bought that other one, no go on that. Just too different, you know. I think I was reading some stuff up on the internet this morning, and the conclusion was really that it's probably more work trying to get one that isn't the right one to fit, rather than trying to repair the bodged up one that might already be on the bike. But you know, every time I've stripped some of the wires back, and I don't know why they've been why stuff's been wired up like the rectifier that sits under the battery tray. My God, I have no idea why that's been wired the way it has. It's just a complete mess. But you know, now I've made that decision, I'm going to find somebody who can do it. I'll concentrate on getting the rest of the bits on the bike. I'll get the brakes bled through. I've got to spend some time today making some room in the garage for when these other bikes come on Thursday, and the pile of parts. I'm going to start looking for some premises locally, just a lock-up to start with, just somewhere I can store the good bikes, you know, whilst I'm working on the other stuff. As I say, I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing with the 400s until I get my hands on them, but you know, it's going to be an exciting time. But ultimately, this is what I wanted to get done, and this is what I will get done. And like I say, I'm so pleased with the bodywork. It just looks fantastic. The indicators that we made the brackets for look really good. Everything just looks really good. I know I've still got to clean up the engine casings and what have you, but you know, that's a minor thing. We just need to get the electrics sorted. Anyway, thanks very much for sticking with me. I'll see you later in the week with the big reveal on the new stuff when it all arrives, so we can have a good look at that. So thanks very much, internet. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, drop me any comments below. If you're an auto electrician, specialises in 80s Jap bikes that could do the wiring, and you live somewhere local to Shropshire, then please do get in touch, because I'm sure we can definitely do some business. I'll either get it dropped off, or you can come in and do it here with a nice supply of sandwiches and cups of coffee whilst you're doing it, or a bit of a beer later on in the day. So whatever, please stick with me and click on the little bell icon and you'll get a notification every time I upload new content, and I do very regularly. So doesn't she look great? I'll see you later in the week. Thanks very much, internet. Bye.